once again, John Lee TV and EP Housing covered ko ang ating nag-invite ngayon, Dondon Light and Sounds ng Taguig, okay? Yan yung kanyang Dondon Light and Sound. Okay, good afternoon, sir. Ayan, yung kanyang owner, Dondon Light, kanyang, ayan, ipakita natin yung kanyang ano ngayon, okay? Ang kanyang mixer gamit is ano to pare, MC, no? Powered by MC. Ayan. Audio source nya, ayan, laptop. Then naka ano tayo ngayon, then Lexus yung kanyang mid-high. Ang kanyang pang sub is live, ano nito, ayan, tsaka Dondon Light and Sound. Ayan. Okay, ikot natin guys. Ayan, pag mga hanap nyo guys, murang rental kay Dondon Lights and Sounds tayo. Message nyo lang siya. Nakaano ka rin ba pare? Page mo yun, Dondon Lights and Sounds. Ayan. Or message nyo lang ako guys, sa murang halaga guys. Kaya i-set natin guys. Ayan, kanyang mid-high bali wedding ano to guys, wedding day Ayan, nasa covered court tayo guys. Ayan guys, kapuan, malaki-laki tong covered court guys. EP Housing guys. Ikutan natin yun guys. Kasalang pamilya guys, July 30 yan guys. Kumbaga ano to guys, kasalang bayan to guys. Ayan kanyang ano guys, mid-high, okay. Maramihan to guys, alam ko kasi kasalang bayan to. Andun yung ating body, okay. Ayan guys, yung kanyang sub, ikutan natin guys. Ayan, powered by Dondon Lights and Sound guys din. Ayan guys, check na kanya, i-check natin yung kanyang sub guys. Ayan, made by G Audio Works guys. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. AWE Works guys, made by G Audio ano guys. Ayan kanyang sub guys, okay. Ang ganda ng bass nya guys, D18 niya guys, 18K. Ayan siya guys. Ayan, covered coat yan guys Okay, hanggang dito na lang guys. Okay, medyo copyright na